With economic and financial uncertainty growing every day, more and more Americans are looking at how they can protect themselves and their financial assets. With markets having lost more than 50% of their value during the 2008 financial crisis, the idea of that happening again is not very appetizing to most retirement savers today. Gold's reputation for safety and stability make it a treasured safe haven for many of these people. Among the recent developments that has changed the way Americans buy gold is the introduction of the Gold IRA, an IRA account that holds physical gold coins or gold bars. But some of the questions people ask when they first learn about a Gold IRA are, how exactly do you start one and how do you fund a Gold IRA account? Thankfully, there are some easy answers to both of those questions, and you're about to get the detailed answers, so don't go anywhere. If you're not already familiar with a Gold IRA, it's a really simple concept. A Gold IRA is an individual retirement account, IRA, that holds physical gold coins or gold bars rather than the more common stocks, bonds, or fund shares that most IRA accounts hold. A Gold IRA is subject to all the same rules and regulations as any other IRA account. If you already have an IRA account, or if you're familiar with IRA accounts, you may be wondering why you've never seen a Gold IRA mentioned at any of the brokerages or banks which you're familiar with. That's because in order to open a Gold IRA, you have to find an IRA custodian willing to manage gold assets, and not every IRA custodian is willing to do that. For a variety of reasons, the number of IRA custodians able and willing to manage gold IRA assets is pretty small. The company you choose to work with should also work with an established Gold IRA custodian who has experience managing physical gold assets. How exactly do you start a Gold IRA? Well, let's dive into it. Once you've made the decision and found a Gold IRA custodian, you'll open up your Gold IRA account. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, the mistakes are costly, so listen closely to the rest of this video, or pay the price. A Gold IRA is a type of self-directed IRA, meaning that you are the one who determines what kind of assets you'll buy with your retirement funds. Some self-directed IRA accounts invest in commodities, real estate, private equity, or other alternative or unconventional assets. A Gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that invests in physical gold coins or gold bars. That means no gold exchange-traded funds or shares of mining stocks, but actual physical gold, the type you can hold in your hand. It's gold you can hold. Sorry, couldn't help myself. Once you've started your Gold IRA, you'll want to figure out exactly how to fund it. At this point, you may want to consult with a tax professional to see how different sources of funding could impact your tax obligations when you both buy and sell gold. This is one of those costly mistakes you'll want to avoid like the plague. So what about actually buying your gold? Well, your options are vast. But before we get started, let's cover the things you cannot buy with a Gold IRA. You are strictly prohibited from purchasing collectibles. The definition of collectibles for IRA purposes includes coins and metals generally, but makes a very important exception for the modern gold American Eagle bullion coins, as well as any gold coin minted to a fineness of 0.995 or higher. What this means is that many historically significant bullion coins, such as South African Krugerrands, French and Swiss 20 franc coins, and Austrian 100 Corona gold coins, are not eligible for IRA investment because their gold content isn't high enough. So when it comes to your IRA, gold consistency is king. It must have a fineness of 0.995 or higher. Fortunately, there are numerous options available to you, including gold American Eagle coins, Canadian maple leafs, and Austrian Philharmonics. Any company you choose to work with who's worth their salt would be able to assist you in purchasing the right gold for your IRA. Now, once you've purchased your gold, the question, of course, becomes, how do you keep it safe? Gold IRA assets must be managed by a Gold IRA custodian, and the physical gold coins or gold bars you buy for your Gold IRA will be stored in a bullion depository. Gold held outside an IRA that you store at home is at risk of theft or loss due to fire, flood, or other acts of God. But gold held in a bullion depository is about as safe as the gold the government holds at Fort Knox, if they even have any left. If you've done any reading at all about gold IRAs, you've probably heard about something called a home storage IRA. It's an arrangement that purports to allow you to start a gold IRA and store your gold IRA assets at home. If that sounds too good to be true, well, that's because it probably is. The IRS takes its regulations seriously, especially the part about IRA assets being managed by an IRA custodian. People who have attempted to store their IRA assets at home have been subject to significant taxes and penalties. That's why it's so important to work with a trusted partner so that you don't make decisions that fall afoul of IRA regulations. So, what do you think? Would you rather find a quality IRA custodian with a top-notch reputation to hold your metals, or take a chance with home storage and get raked over the coals by the IRS? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. So now for the ultimate question, is a Gold IRA right for you? You'll have to make this personal decision based upon your financial situation, your financial goals, and your outlook on the strength and health of the economy. But I want you to know this: demand for gold coins and gold bars from investors took off during the 2020 recession and has not looked back. The high gold price right now is an indicator that gold demand remains strong. As the U.S. economy faces headwinds from inflation, indebtedness, and a faltering economy, perhaps you've already been looking for gold but haven't had much luck, or perhaps you're doing your due diligence in researching different gold buying options, different gold storage options, or different gold sellers. No matter what you decide, know that the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco, has helped thousands of satisfied customers protect themselves over the years, making over $2 billion in precious metals placements. With direct relationships with mints around the world, they work hard to bring their customers gold coins and gold bars that are guaranteed to be authentic. And their customers' 5-star reviews are a testament to their dedication to quality products and customer service. Right now, Goldco is offering a free Gold IRA kit to give you nothing but the facts when it comes to buying gold and performing a Gold IRA rollover. Trust me, if you have any interest in a Gold IRA, any interest at all, you'll want to get your hands on the educational masterpiece known as the Goldco Gold IRA Kit. It'll arm you with the facts you need to survive in the world of the Gold IRA. So to get your free Gold IRA Kit, simply click on the link below or give Goldco a call today. We'll see you next time.